Hello guys, you are welcome again. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. Hope you're having an amazing day. So today I'll be showing us how to make this yummy Nigerian buns. This is one of the most simplest and the easiest snacks you can ever do. So in a bowl, I sieve my flour and then I go in with my dry ingredients, my sugar, nutmeg, baking powder and milk flavor. You can also add powdered milk and set aside. After that, I use water to dissolve my egg. This particular process is totally optional. You can either skip it and pour everything directly to it, or you do it like this. Anyone at all is fine. So after that, I put the margarine and then mix it to a crumb before adding my water. One thing you have to consider when making buns is how do you want the outcome to be. If you want it to be very smooth, you want the body to be very smooth like mine here, then you add the water quantity I will give in the description below. But if you don't want it to be smooth, if you want it to be a little bit crumble, you want the body to have crumble like this picture that is showing now, then you reduce water quantity a little. Then after mixing it, you keep it for like 10 minutes and allow it to rest. For your frying, you have to make sure that your oil is not very hot or not hot at all. It has to be medium heat, because if your oil is very hot, it will just turn brown immediately and the inside will not be cooked. And if your oil is not hot at all, your buns will come out soggy. It will soak oil. So ensure that your oil is medium heat. You need to fry for about 10 minutes to ensure that all the sides are golden brown. Then you know that your buns is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit on the subscription button and turn on your notification to get notified whenever I post amazing videos like this. And if you have any question, it's in the comment section. See you on my next video. Bye.